kids are flying a kite! Ah! Penny knows what to do.
I know! Firefighters can help us!
Fireman Pear can use his siren.
Yay! Firefighters are coming!
The monkey wants the siren! Now the siren is lost.
Don't worry, we will find your siren!
It landed in the trash can. No, that's a horn. No, that's an alarm clock. Yay! Penny found the siren. Fireman Pear is hurt.
Don't worry, I'll call an ambulance.
911 will send help. Stop! Ambulance! Stop!
Oh, here it comes!
Now its siren is lost.
Don't cry, we will find your siren.
No, Pit, that's a ball. No, Penny, that's a ring toy. Yay, Pit found the siren.
Hey.
Mr. Lemon is speeding.
Oh, we must call the police!
Call 911, Penny. The seagull stole the siren. It fell in those boxes. Penny, that's a laser pointer. Pit, that's a disco ball. Penny found the siren. Mr. Lemon shouldn't speed. Goodbye, fire truck. Goodbye, ambulance. And goodbye, police car. Go ahead, Pit. You won a toy car. won cars too. Oh no, Mr. Lemon is stealing the car.
Oh no, where is my toy? Where did it go?
And he's getting away.
Now it's gone.
Officer Pumpkin is on the case. Can Pit catch up? Watch out! That was close. The car is in the slide. Lemon's on the roller coaster. Yay! Pumpkin caught the remote. And Pit got his car. Jill loves shopping with Dad. Don't leave your phone there. Lemon can steal it. And he won't give it back. Where did he go? Pumpkin will help. There he is. Can Pumpkin catch him? Oops, he slipped. Look, he's in the basement. Here's your phone, Jill. Spiky has a VR toy. But he also loves bubbles. He left his toy, and Lemon took it.
Where is my toy? Where did it go? I left it somewhere and now it's gone.
He better call for help.
Toy back.
Pumpkin has an idea.
Take care of your toys.
Follow the footprints.
Leave them behind. Take care of your toys. Keep
You've been caught, Lemon.
them sound. Take care of your toys. Don't leave them
And you better stop stealing.
behind. Take care of your toys. Keep them safe and sound.
Oh, not again. What would Lemmy like?
Toys are fun. I want this one and I want that.
Oh, he wants everything.
I have all the toys in the
And he doesn't want to share.
to play all day long.
Poor Penny.
Can I play with your
Lemmy wants to be a chef,
please, please, they look so great.
but he doesn't want any help.
Together with all our toys, sharing them with you gives me joy.
Don't worry, Penny. Pit will play with you.
Toys, toys, toys are super fun.
And Lemmy can play by himself.
I love toys, toys are fun. I want
Lemmy needs more blocks.
I want that. Can I have all
Jack has lots,
toys in the world? I like to play.
and he's willing to share.
Can I play?
Wow, they built a castle together.
Please, please, they look so great. Let's play together.
Lemmy won't share anymore.
Toys, sharing them with you gives me joy. Yay, yay, yay.
It's okay, Jack. Pit will share his rocket.
Toys, toys, toys are super fun.
Vroom.
I love toys. Toys are
It's a robot race.
fun. This one
And Lee's robot is winning.
can I have all the toys in the world?
Lemmy has a plan.
Play all day long.
He'll scare Lee. But Pit will help her.
Can I play with your toys? Please,
Oh, the robots are out of control.
great. Let's play together with all our toys. Sharing them with you.
Pit will fix that too.
Joy.
That's better.
Toys are super fun.
Lemmy, give that back!
I love toys.
Lemmy wants all the balloons.
I want this one.
And now he's floating away!
Can I have all the toys in the world? I like to play all day.
Will he give them back?
Can I play?
No, he wants all the toys.
Toys, please, please, they look so great. Let's play together with all.
But he's not having any fun.
Sharing them with you gives me joy. Yay, yay, yay.
He's lonely.
Toys, toys, toys are super fun.
Shh, let's surprise him.
I love toys.
See? You still have friends, Lemmy.
I want this one and I want that. Can I have all the toys in the world?
The toys are everywhere.
Play all day long. I love toys. Toys.
And they're dirty.
I want this one and I want that.
Pit will wash them with the hose.
All the toys in the world. I like to
But robots don't like water.
all day long.
Oh, Lemmy, hee hee.
Penny is helping some ducklings cross the road. Pit is helping too. Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon! And he's stealing a police car.
The ducklings are safe! Mission complete!
But Mr. Lemon stole your police car.
We need to catch him!
Penny knows who to call.
We need backup!
Officer Pumpkin is here to help.
Hey!
Hop in, Pit and Penny. Let's go catch that thief.
You can't hide from us!
Mr. Lemon has some tricks up his sleeve. They made it past the traffic cones.
Oh no! He's getting away!
How will Mr. Lemon get through the lake? He'll float across. Officer Pumpkin's truck won't float.
Oh no! We can't jump over it!
Officer Pumpkin has a plan. Don't hit all the buttons, Pit.
Please press this button!
Phew, that's better. Now the truck can drive across. A thumbtack will pop Mr. Lemon's getaway raft.
I surrender! Well done, kids!
But what about their car? Here's a new one they can use. Thanks, Officer Pumpkin.
That was strange.
What? He stole our snacks! I know what to do!
Pick an outfit, Pit. Astronaut?
Oopsie, that one is wrong.
Oops, try again.
Maybe this is what we need.
Let's see if a fireman can stop Lemon. This doesn't look good. This isn't the correct person for the job. What uniform does Pit need?
This is definitely the right choice.
Here comes Officer Pit. Pull over, Lemon. Ha! Better than Spider-Man.
That's what police officers do!
Pit's back.
Wow! You did it!
Hey, now what happened? There it is.
We need to get the frisbee off the roof!
I can handle this!
What uniform should she choose? A painter?
The wrong image.
Maybe a doctor?
Let's try it.
Dr. Penny will cure this problem.
You can do it, Penny!
That's not a lasso.
Doctors don't climb roofs!
Who uses a ladder?
Yes, this is the right image.
Here we go.
Careful, Penny!
Yeah, that's what firefighters do!
Yay!
Oh no, the truck is out of control. Penny is hurt.
Oh, let me help you!
Which uniform should he pick?
This definitely won't do.
A policeman?
It seems like it's okay.
Here comes help, Penny.
Let's see what we've got here.
A badge won't work?
It's not a police officer's job.
Who helps heal people?
That's who will help, Benny.
A doctor will work. Pick one.
Can I have a pink one? Yay!
That's great!
Cupcakes for everyone.
Now what?
The cat's in trouble.
Who's gonna help now?
Do you know?